Hey babe, you almost ready to go? Yeah, I'm just finishing my brows.
Whoa, your eyebrows look amazing.
Aw, thanks babe.
How do you get them like that?
I've just been using the new Quick Flick 2-in-1 Brow Sculpting Lamination Gel. And I love the fact that it comes with this unique wax/gel finish. And depending obviously on the vibes that I want to go for with my brows, it gives you 2 brushes to start with.
Surely that's not good for your eyebrows.
No ways, babe, because the Quick Brow is actually vegan and cruelty free. And there's no harmful ingredients, which means no damage to my eyebrows, no thinning on my eyebrows, but it stays all day and all night.
Oh yeah? Cool. Seems like wizardry to me.
Nah, babe, it's just the new Quick Brow by the Quick Flick. You can actually use my discount code if you want one for yourself.